So Mr. Siva, O is the center of the circle. AOE, AOE. So this angle is 150 degree. DAO, DAO. This angle is 51 degree. Calculate the sizes of angle CEB, CEB. This angle and OCE, OCE. This angle. How should we do this question? Mr. Siva.
So first of all, angle EOB would be 30 degree.
This angle.
EOB, yeah. And OE and OB are radius, so therefore you would have two equal angles, 75 degree. Each is 75 degree.
So basically what you are saying is that when we take this angle, when we take this triangle OEB, OEB. Now OE and OB, because they are the radius of the circle, that is why these two sides are equal. Now EOB, this angle is 30 degree. Now because these two angles are equal, because this is an isosceles triangle. So if this is 30 degree, we are left with 150 degree, and this 150 degree has to be equally distributed here and here. That is why this angle would be 75 degree and this angle would be 75 degree. Mr. Sibang, do we agree?
Yes.
Okay, what next?
So next we have angle DAO, which is given to us as 51 degree. DAB is 51 degree. So therefore, yes. Quadrilateral DABE is a cyclic quadrilateral, so therefore opposite angles will be equal to 180 degree. You have DAB, which is 51 degree, so therefore DEB will be 180 minus 51 degree.
So Mr. Sibang, what we were saying is that if this is 51 degree in a quadrilateral, so if I have a quadrilateral like this, if I have a circle like this, and if there is a cyclic quadrilateral, so for example, if I have a cyclic quadrilateral like this, so this angle plus this angle, let me name this cyclic quadrilateral. So what you are saying is that angle A plus angle C would be equal to 180 degrees. Am I correct?
Yes.
So x plus y would be equal to 180 degrees. Similarly, this angle plus this angle would be equal to 180 degrees. This is what you are saying.
Yes.
So this whole angle, we know that this DAB is 51 degree. So that is why this DEB would be equal to 180 minus 51 degree. Do we agree?
Yes.
So when we calculate, this would be 169. Is it correct?
Yes.
And
so this will be 180 minus 51 degree, it will be 129 degree.
129 degrees. So out of 129 degrees, see this 129 is whole of angle DEB. But we already have this slice which is 75 degree. I'll have to subtract this. This will be 75 degree. Do we agree?
Yes, so the answer would be 54 degree.
Yeah, but as a matter of fact, we don't require this angle for a simple reason. That once we have found DEB to be 129 degree, we actually require this angle. So this angle would be 180 minus 129. So this angle would be 51 degree. Do we agree?
Yes, sir.
So this angle is 51 degree. This angle is 180 minus 75.
105 degree.
Shaba, this will be 105 degree. And this angle would be 51 degree plus 105 degree.
156.
156.
So this would be 24 degree.
This would be 24 degree. This would be 24 degrees. Do we agree?
Yes, sir.
So CEB, this would be 51 degree, and OCE, this would be 24 degree. Mr. CB, do we agree?
Yes, sir.
So the same thing, yeah. Same thing I've done here in a bit neat way. If you want to refer to this angle, this diagram, you can refer to this diagram. So this is what they have given, 51 degree. This whole angle is 129 degree, and that is why this angle is 51 degree. Mr. CB, do we agree?
Yes, sir.
And then we were able to find the rest of the angles. Actually, what you had done was that you had assumed that these two are radius, and then you took the way of the isosceles triangle. I've taken a bit different way, but both the ways are correct. What I did was you took this to be the isosceles triangle. I have taken this to be the isosceles triangle. So this is another way in which you will be able to do the question. Mr. Sivan, do we agree?
Yes.